Time to party with the Profits.
The following contest is a fatal four-way tag team match and is for the Raw Tag Team Championship. Introducing first, at a combined weight of 492 pounds, Angelo Dawkins and Montez Ford, the Street Profits.
Byron, with the Street Profits out here, I can't even get mad at you. All right, Michael, high five. All right, maybe not. You know, guys, I have an idea. How about we all join the Street Profits, choreograph our own little dance inside the club, man? It'll be lit.
That's a great idea, Saxton. Afterward, we can all go play in traffic.
A stallion of WWE.
One of the best pure wrestlers in WWE.
And guys, an original bro.
Representing RK Bro from Las Vegas, Nevada, weighing in at 216 pounds. He is one half of the Raw Tag Team Champions, Riddle.
Seems like everybody's got an opinion about Riddle, whose laid-back style has earned plenty of fans and detractors.
Ready to fight, resilient as they come.
He may not be my bro, but I'll give him his due. The Viper is here.
Representing RK Bro from St. Louis, Missouri, weighing in at 250 pounds. He is one half of the Raw Tag Team Champions, the Viper, Randy Orton.
You would be hard-pressed to find a more sadistic superstar than Randy Orton.
This is a superstar who will do whatever it takes to win.
Hey, listen, he's called the Apex Predator because he has this undeniable killer instinct.
And the results, well, they speak for themselves.
Yeah, simple advice. Don't cross the Viper.
Such an impressive array of in-ring skills possessed by the Viper.
All Randy Orton needs is one RKO to end your evening.
Well, Byron, I guarantee you Orton's going to show us tonight that he's much more than that.
Yeah, Randy Orton is an SOB.
The Archer of Infamy, ready to shoot fire.
Time for battle, time for reckoning.
From New York, New York, weighing in at 249 pounds, Damian Priest.
Damian Priest has a martial arts background, pure brawling power. Priest aims to live forever.
He's never scared of a fight. Not starting now.
Priest's rise is your demise. Beware the Archer of Infamy. The Prince has arrived.
A decorated champion who has truly reinvented himself.
From Bray, County Wicklow, Ireland, weighing in at 190 pounds, Finn Balor!
The first ever Universal Champion, a multiple-time Intercontinental Champion, NXT titles. What can't the Prince do?
Oh, it seems like year after year, Finn Balor just reaches greater heights in his career. You know, I don't know if it's just me, or does Finn Balor just keep getting cooler every year?
Saxton, when it comes to being cool, you are one man I will never ask. You can see the intense focus and drive in the eyes of Finn Balor.
When it comes to Finn Balor, it's always about competing at the highest of levels.
Dolph Ziggler's on the big stage.
Such a familiar sight, but you never get tired of it.
Representing Dirty Dogs from Hollywood, Florida, weighing in at 218 pounds, Dolph Ziggler.
Dolph Ziggler made it his personal mission to eliminate the complacency that plagues the WWE locker room.
Month after month, the preaching is the same. Dolph Ziggler truly believes no one can hang on his level.
He's truly a top dog. No doubt about that.
Multiple-time champion around the world. There is no one else as glorious.
I can think of some people.
Representing Dirty Dogs from Toronto, Ontario, Canada, weighing in at 235 pounds, the glorious
Guys, this dude looks like $1 million.
That's an understatement, Cole. I think the robe alone is worth that much.
Robert Roode with 2 decades of experience. He's been a champion everywhere.
A champion who lives the best life, jet-setting all over the globe.
The sky is the limit for Robert Roode in a WWE ring. So proud of all of his accomplishments.
Why wouldn't he be?
Byron, if you ever accomplished anything in your life, you'd understand.
I accomplished a thing or two.
Multiple teams facing off in this tornado tag match.
In a tornado tag situation, you never know how many opponents will be targeting you. The only one on your side is your tag team partner. DDT!
Unpacks a well-placed punch.
And Finn heads him off at the pass. I'd have to think that a no disqualification match favors the most heartless competitor in the ring.
The champ is down. Title change. I can feel it.
Good officiating there. Referee seeing him the ropes and breaking the count.
Swinging neck breaker connects.
And control here with a swinging neck breaker.
Textbook.
Rear chin lock, and now just rapid fire punches.
Just mounted with punches. Oh, nasty stop to finish it off.
Pin attempt for the championship.
Enough already. Right now, I just don't know what it's going to take.
Knew what was coming there. Now with his aggression, just pure brutality.
Easy. The challenger's looking shaken. He's getting a huge boost right now from all those chants and cheers.
Oh, sent flying.
Oh, this is... He is revving up the engine.
The champ's shoulders are down.
Here's the pin to the leg.
And this might not have a pleasant ending.
Strong elbows right on the mark. Bicycle knee to the face.
Oh, yeah. Let's just all take a moment to truly appreciate and embrace his presence. Man, a little extra luster behind that kick. Oh, a nasty stop to finish it off. Backwards of boards out there. Oh, smashing the jaw.
He's reminding his competition that they'll only ever be second best.
Ooh, sharp kick.
Knee drop delivered.
Somersaults down. A perfect vertical suplex.
New champion. And he sends him into the corner. Kick out after one from the champion.
Shows that this is still anybody's match at this point.
Stop in the leg.
Angelo Dawkins with a well-timed shot, producing a trampling boom. What a kick.
And the electricity of this moment is coursing through his veins.
Off the turnbuckles.
What's he gonna do?
Knees up to the gut. Scoop slam. Bad predicament right here. Shot table combo.
Highly effective.
Oh, now a pin for the champion. Lock it in. For the championship. Putting the pressure on now.
This won't win the match, but it's doing a lot of damage in the process.
His will is getting tested here. Firing up those shots. Not much effective this time. It works.
No, knees up to the spine. And Dolph got bottled up there. Oh, a double knee face buster. The champions need to finish the job. Here he comes, sliding back in. Kick out.
This is no time to hesitate. You can feel the end coming.
Boom, right across the small of the back. Into a neck breaker.
Just punched him right in the mouth. Relentless.
The sound of this crowd is deafening, and he's asking for
Eyes in the drop zone.
we can have a new champion.
Double underhook.
Here it is. Breaker. Watch out. No.
An absolutely foolhardy decision made there.
That can be very costly. Well, setting up again.
Definitely not where you want to be right now. Just carried like a rag doll here. Finn turns it around.
Aggressive work on that shoulder.
Great wherewithal on the counter.
He is a sight to behold. Take a picture while you can, everyone.
Planted with a neck breaker. Oh, what a kick. Fighting back with a counter. Attack to the midsection. The challenger not looking good right now. He returns to the ring. Flatline.
Man, face first.
Taken down to the mat. Specific on the top. Diving double axe handle. Big boot. And look at it foot. Getting back into the ring.
He's got a plan. Looks like the champ is going to retain.
And that'll finally do it. What a victory.
Here are your winners, and still Raw Tag Team Champions, the Viper Randy Orton and Riddle RK Bro.
Randy Orton puts the finishing touches on this one for the win.
They are riding high on this win. This celebration might carry on the rest of the month.